Many of our publications are fabulous resources that don't always get into the hands of as many readers as we hope. The book is called Raising the Standard of Truth, Exploring the History and Teachings of the Early Restoration. This book came about out of a desire to try to help readers better understand some of the wonderful materials the Religious Study Center has produced over the many years. The organization of the book mirrors the Come Follow Me outline. It traces the history of the church in a chronological fashion. So the first portion discusses the history of the church in the New York and Pennsylvania period. So there's essays on the first vision, essays on the restoration of the priesthood. The second and third sections of the book focus on the history of the church in Ohio, Missouri, and Illinois. These sections include essays on the building of the Kirtland Temple, revelations associated with Zion and consecration, Joseph Smith's experience in Liberty Jail, and the martyrdom of Joseph and Hiram Smith. And the final section is Salt Lake City and beyond. So it's the history of the church after we've come to Utah. It has sections or chapters about Official Declaration 1, Official Declaration 2, as well as other important events during that time period. So this collection was put together specifically with students of Come Follow Me or the Doctrine and Covenants in Church History next year in mind, with the goal of getting in their hands some recent scholarship on the history, doctrine, and scripture of the church, specifically the Doctrine and Covenants in church history. The most rewarding part of this book for me are the diverse perspectives. It comes from a wide variety of authors, a wide variety of backgrounds, historical and academic training. This is simply a small sampling of many wonderful things that are available through the Religious Study Center at Brigham Young University. My name is Scott Esplin. I'm the Publications Director for the Religious Study Center and a faculty member in Church History and Doctrine here at Brigham Young University.